Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best daily planner board is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to boost their productivity and bring order to their busy lives, helping you stay on track with tasks, appointments, and goals with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making it an indispensable asset for students, professionals, and even busy parents aiming to juggle multiple responsibilities seamlessly. Number 5. Cinch. Magnetic Calendar Bundle. Introducing the Cinch Magnetic Calendar Bundle, your ultimate solution for staying organized. This set includes 3 versatile dry erase boards designed for monthly, weekly, and daily planning. Keep your plans always at hand. It comes with 6 fine-tip markers, a large eraser, and strong magnets, all designed to stick firmly to your fridge for convenience. Wipe away your notes with ease. The smooth whiteboard surface ensures effortless cleaning, leaving no stains or ghosting, so your planner always looks fresh. Add a splash of color to your schedule. The set includes 6 vibrant markers, each with a built-in eraser, making it simple to update your plans. Never run out of room for your thoughts. With generous writing space on each board, it's perfect for managing busy households, workspaces, or classroom needs. What we like? This bundle offers a complete planning system with monthly, weekly, and daily boards. All accessories are magnetic for easy access. If you need a comprehensive solution for all your planning needs, this is the one for you. What people say. This planner is perfect for keeping track of daily tasks and appointments. The layout is clear and easy to read, with plenty of space for notes. I love the magnetic backing, it sticks securely to my fridge. Number 4. STYLIO Magnetic Dry Erase Calendar Set. Introducing the STYLIO Magnetic Dry Erase Calendar Set, your ultimate solution for organized living. This set includes monthly, weekly, and daily planners to keep your life on track. Crafted with a high-grade PET dry erase surface, it wipes clean effortlessly, leaving no stains. Enjoy quick reuse and a pristine look every time. This comprehensive set features 2 large calendar boards and a smaller daily to-do planner. It's designed to meet all your scheduling needs. Perfectly versatile, you can use these boards as a whiteboard calendar on your fridge or place them on your desk. It also comes with 4 markers and an eraser. We stand fully behind the quality of our product with a 1-year, no-hassle warranty. Contact us anytime if you need assistance. What we like? Experience premium quality with a dry erase surface that wipes clean effortlessly. It includes 2 large boards and a daily to-do list. If you're looking for a durable and versatile option with excellent support, this is a great choice. What people say. The planner is a great way to keep track of your daily tasks and appointments. It's made of high-quality material and is very durable. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on any desk. Number 3. Cinch. Magnetic Weekly Planner 17x 12 inch. Tired of missed appointments and forgotten tasks? This magnetic weekly planner is your solution to effortlessly manage your busy schedule, meal plans, and daily chores. Its stain-resistant surface ensures a clean slate every time. Featuring a strong magnetic backing, this planner stays firmly in place on any magnetic surface, including your refrigerator. Enjoy the convenience of a planner that's always visible and accessible in your kitchen. With a generous 17x 12 inch writing area, there's plenty of room for everyone's notes, tasks, and important plans. It's perfect for busy individuals and families alike. Make meal prep, chore tracking, and activity scheduling a breeze. This dry erase calendar is designed for simple, convenient organization, helping you streamline your week. This versatile board can also serve as a schedule for kids and adults, perfect for managing shared tasks, grocery lists, or important reminders. Keep the whole family on the same page with ease. What we like? This planner is specifically designed for weekly organization, including meal planning. Its strong magnetic backing ensures it stays put. If your primary need is to manage your week and meals efficiently, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The planner is well made and durable, with a sturdy frame and smooth writing surface. It features a clear and organized layout, making it easy to jot down tasks and appointments. The included markers are vibrant and erase cleanly, leaving no residue on the board. Number 2. Paper Junkie Undated Weekly Planner. Introducing our Undated Weekly Planner, designed to bring order to your year. With 52 sheets, it's perfect for home or office use, helping you manage your schedule effectively. Each page provides ample space to map out your week, from Monday to Sunday. Jot down appointments, reminders, or even your meal plans to stay on track. This versatile tool isn't just for planning your days. The reverse side features grid graph paper, ideal for sketching or creating your own designs. The beautiful green leafy cover, with its motivational, note to self, stay organized, message, adds a touch of inspiration to your daily routine. It's crafted with a matte finish for a premium feel. Measuring 11.7 by 4.1 inches, this planner is perfectly sized for your desk. Its convenient dimensions make it an essential organizational tool for any professional workspace. What we like? This is an undated, spiral-bound notepad perfect for desk use. It includes sections for to-do lists and shopping lists. If you prefer a portable, non-magnetic planner for daily notes and tasks, this is ideal. What people say. This planner is a great way to keep track of your daily tasks and appointments. The layout is clear and easy to read, with plenty of space for notes. It's made of durable material and the pages are thick, so they don't bleed through. Number 1. Navaris Magnetic Weekly Planner Whiteboard. Bring order and flexibility to your planning with this weekly calendar whiteboard. Easily write and erase daily and weekly plans as needed. The surface is also magnetic for attaching notes and papers. Make planning and organizing each day a cinch with this easy-to-read wall board. Use it to write down schedules, plan meals, or keep track of errands. This week planning board is made of coated paper on an MDF frame. It comes with everything you need to get started, including markers and magnets. Write on the magnetic calendar board using the supplied marker pens. To clean, simply wipe off with a damp cloth or sponge. Remember, detergents can affect the magnetism. The calendar layout is versatile and can be wiped off and rewritten as needed each week. With the added bonus of being a magnetic pin board, you can get creative with visual reminders too. What we like? This is a large wall-mounted weekly planner with a magnetic surface. It offers a flexible layout for daily and weekly plans. If you want a prominent visual planner for your wall that also holds notes and papers, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The planner is a great way to keep track of your daily tasks and appointments. It is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on any desk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.